Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we are standing on board a brand new Sea Ray Blue 2024 280 SLX. Guys, I love this boat. In fact, you'll see my face on the interview at Fort Lauderdale or Miami. Can't remember when we debuted it. On this boat. Awesome, awesome boat. One of the things I like the most is right over my head. One of the only soft top boats in the entire nation, optional at all, that has a huge sunshade. I know I'm making the camera lean. Guys, that is so cool. This is a power tower, can be tilted down, even run down. This boat's got more tricks than the clown that you grew to hate when you were growing up. Back of the boat, Mercury 250s. Guys, those are Joystick, they're white, they're quiet, they're fuel efficient. There are so many things we can talk about that we absolutely adore on those motors, but we have more to talk about in here. The interior is so deep, so plush. There is storage under absolutely everything, like literally everything. This is so big, you can put bags, you can put covers, you can put kids that are being annoying in there. Literally, they can fit and sit up. I'm not even kidding. The helm seats. You can see I've got both of these flipped out of the way. Sea Ray did an incredible job, guys, with these fiberglass seats, albeit you got to have the bolster down so it'll clear the steering wheel. The fiberglass works awesome. The detail work is awesome, and that's what sets an SLX apart. The detail is gorgeous, just like here at the dash. Twin screens, massive yacht-style pod dash. Guys, these boats are beautiful. That's part of the reason, if we're being honest, that we love buying these. The aesthetics everywhere, from the sea deck under your feet, to the stitching on the seat, to the traditional V-bow and the body lines on this boat. Guys, 28 SLXs are gorgeous. I'm Jeremiah Long. This is MarineMax Sarasota. If you guys want a gorgeous boat for this summer, come give us a call.